वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की fateh. Sat Sangat ji, in this small video, let's talk some interesting facts about Jassa Singh Ahluwalia. Jassa Singh Ahluwalia was born on 3rd May in the year 1780 in the village Ahlu near Lahore, Punjab. That's why he is called Ahluwalia. He was born in a family of Kalal, a wine distiller family. Alu village was established by his ancestor Sada Singh, a disciple of sixth Guru Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji. Fact number 2. When Jassa Singh Ahluwalia was 4, his father passed away due to which his mother has to move to Delhi where Mata Sundari Kaur was dwelling. Mata Sundari Kaur was very much pleased with the young Sikh. Jassa Singh Ahluwalia was very well versed and learned, and he was a very good kirtankar. His Asadiwar was very much famous. Mata Sundari Kaur taught Gurbani and Kirtan and also loved him like his son. Fact number 3. Interaction with Nawab Kapoor Singh. In the year 1733, Zakaria Khan Bahadur wanted to make peace with Sikh, so he offered a Zagir, the title of Nawab to Sikh, and an unlimited access to Harmandir Sahib. After discussion, Kapoor Singh was elected as a leader of Sikh and given the title of Nawab, so he was called Nawab Kapoor Singh. At the age of 12, Jassa Singh and his mother moved to Jalandhar. Jassa Singh was highly skilled in playing rabab and reciting Asadiwar, and he was also a great kirtankar. On one Amrit Vela, when he was reciting Asadiwar, Nawab Kapoor Singh got very impressed with the boy and requested her mother to leave this boy for Sikh Qaum. After that, Jassa Singh began his training under the leadership of Nawab Kapoor Singh and mentorship of Nawab. He learned horse riding, art of war, sword play, archery, and many more things. Fact number 4. Releasing 2200 women of Maratha. During the third war of Panipat, Maratha lost war from Abdali, and very much damage was done by Abdali to Marathas. Abdali prisoned 2200 women and took them to Afghanistan for selling. Marathas approached Jassa Singh Ahluwalia and requested him to free them. Jassa Singh Ahluwalia at that time, Sikh commanding or Sikh force was very much damaged. But Jassa Singh Ahluwalia said, if someone has come to ask us for help, so why should we not help them? So Jassa Singh Ahluwalia attacked the big troop of Abdali fearlessly and freed all the prisoners of that is 2200 women from Abdali, and with his own funds he sent all the women to their respective homes with very much respect. Fact number 5. He built Harmandir Sahib. Jassa Singh Ahluwalia demolished Sarand fort and constructed gurdwaras over there. When he won Sarand, he collected 9 lakh rupees. Ahmad Shah Abdali demolished Harmandir Sahib with bombs and tanks and filled Sarovar Sahib with dead cows. Jassa Singh Ahluwalia took 9 lakh rupees which he won from Sarand fort and immediately travelled towards Harmandir Sahib. He placed that 9 lakh rupees on a chadar on the Sarovar of Harmandir Sahib and also requested all other missals and Sikh to contribute their daswand for the recreation of Harmandir Sahib. Then 14 lakh rupees was collected and handed over to Mistri Des Raj Singh. When Mistri Des Raj Singh received 14 lakh rupees for reconstruction of Harmandir Sahib, he immediately took that money and went over his home and asked his daughter and wife that these are 14 lakh rupees to create Harmandir Sahib. These 14 lakh rupees, if we count today's, it will be more than 14,000 crore. So he handed that money to his wife and daughter and said that I will not be not be able to work and bring livelihood or bring money for the home. So I will be busy, full of life to rebuild this Harmandir Sahib. So you both have to go for the wages and earn livelihood for our home. We will not eat money from, we will not live anything from this 14 lakh rupees or anything from the Langar Sahib. We have to create, you have to run our house. So that was the greatness of Mistri Desh Raj Singh. Fact number 6. He was given the title of Sultan ul Qaum Sardar Jassa Singh Ahluwalia. He defeated Lahore and he became the first Sikh to get the title of Sultan ul Qaum Sardar Jassa Singh Ahluwalia. He became the chief of Dal Khalsa. He was the chief of Akal Takht when Baba Baghel Singh captured Red Fort and placed Khalsa Nishan Sahib over Red Fort, and he wrote a letter to Jassa Singh Ahluwalia to come and sit on the throne of Delhi. The Jassa Singh Ahluwalia replied that we cannot sit on the throne of any throne, as these thrones are made for our gurus. So he left that throne to again Mughal Badshah and never came back to take that throne. This is the greatness of जस्सा सिंह आहलूवालिया. वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह.